Does the Tube Mastery and Monetization course works? Is it worth the price? What should I know before purchasing it? Inside this video review of the Tube Mastery and Monetization course, we will delve into it fully and explain everything you need to know about Tube Mastery and Monetization course, what exactly Tube Mastery and Monetization course is all about, how it works, the good sides, the bad sides, and a whole lot of other things that will help you make a decision whether it will work for you or not. But before we get the review started, if you finish watching this review video, and you finally decide that you are going to buy the Tube Mastery and Monetization course to make money for yourself, then I will recommend that you click the first link in the description of this video, to get it at a discounted price plus bonuses worth $500. Let's get started. What exactly is the Tube Mastery and Monetization course by Matt Parr? Tube Mastery and Monetization course is a course that will guide you to launch your YouTube channel, in a step-by-step process. The best thing about this course is that, it will teach you how to develop and monetize your YouTube channel, no matter if you have no subscribers. If you don't have previous experience or technical skills, don't worry, you can get this course because it doesn't require any expertise. The Tube Mastery and Monetization course gives you all the essential information, with the 7 modules through more than 35 video tutorials. How does Tube Mastery and Monetization course works? As we know that Tube Mastery and Monetization is a course that teaches people to create a YouTube channel, operating their own potentiality by another person for them and even make money from it. That means you don't need to present in the camera frame. Even if you don't want to reveal your identity, then you can keep your identity covered. We will be discussing the 7 modules of the Tube Mastery and Monetization course. Module 1. Outline of the Tube Mastery and Monetization course. In this module, you will get a detailed overview of the business process of YouTube. The creator of this Mastery course has divided this module into 3 phases. These 3 phases are also known as the phases of YouTubing. Module 2. Choosing a niche. This module is the most critical part of launching a YouTube channel. Because choosing a perfect niche ideally is very important. You will get a clear idea about selecting a perfect sentiment in this module. This module will help you to find your niche in which you are interested. Moreover, this module will guide you to research marketing and find the competitors present on the market. You have to plan content according to the results of the outcome of the market research. Module 3. Setting for your channel for success. In this module, Matt Parr revealed the 33 principles that can make you successful. Besides, you will get some essential secret tips that you won't get in other YouTube monetization courses. You will learn about shooting videos to desire the maximum outcome and views on your YouTube channel. Module 4. Uploading videos. In this module, you will learn how to boost your views and increase subscribers with some simple strategies and tricks. From this module, you will find out how you can grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to millions. If you are thinking of getting viral, to increase your views and subscribers, this module can be the best solution. Module 6. How to monetize. In this module, you will learn everything about earning money from YouTube. You will also learn all the possible ways to monetize a YouTube channel. Module 7. How to scale your YouTube channel. In this stage of the course, you're making videos and uploading contents properly and started earning from your channel. You are earning enough and simply it's enough for you. Everything is running good, but what's your plan to scale your channel? Well, don't worry, Tube Mastery and Monetization will teach how to scale your YouTube channel to the greatest heights. Who should use Tube Mastery and Monetization? The Tube Mastery and Monetization course will be helpful for those who are new to YouTube business or have been on this business for some days. If you are one of them who wants to earn money by uploading contents on YouTube, then you should enroll in this course. The main focus of this course is to teach you all the things that you need to grow your channel. In case, if you have a grown channel, then this course will help you to scale the channel accordingly. Is Tube Mastery and Monetization course a scam? I do not think it is. Tube Mastery and Monetization course is not a scam. This is an amazing course for the beginners, or who are thinking to start YouTubing professionally. Additionally, it's also handy for those who have started a YouTube business for some time. If you are deciding to bring in cash from YouTube, then you should consider this course. You can learn the most effective methods to run your channels. Even if you have already a well-developed channel, then this course will help you to scale your channel. Pros and cons of the Tube Mastery and Monetization course. Well, the Tube Mastery and Monetization course have a number of good things, and a number of bad things. Pros. If you use this course, you will be able to learn all the methods, and techniques and strategies to begin online business on YouTube. This Tube Mastery and Monetization course is very handy, and you can easily follow the steps. This course does not require any previous technical skills, experience or marketing strategies. This course starts from a base level. This course will teach you to choose the perfect niches on YouTube. You will also learn how to create content, and when you should upload videos on your channel. You will get access to a private official Facebook group of Tube Mastery and Monetization. This course provides all the materials in digital format, so that the users can download them easily whenever they want. Disadvantages: no physical formats are found in this course. Refund policy. According to the official website of Tube Mastery and Monetization Program, this course provides a 60-day money-back guarantee. This is definitely more than expected and really generous. My final words on the Tube Mastery and Monetization course. The Tube Mastery and Monetization course teaches how you can build your career as a successful YouTuber. It can help you grow and develop your YouTube channel from the scratch. People are looking forward to the idea of earning money from YouTube without showing their face on the video. The Tube Mastery and Monetization course will help them do just that. I am confident that you might have seen videos that don't show people. Did you ever think to make videos like these? If your answer is yes, then I highly recommend you to go for Matt's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. In case, if you don't find this course useful for you, then you can get a 100% refund because you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Personally, I will recommend you go and get the Tube Mastery and Monetization course right now, and test it out for yourself. But remember, I put a link in the description below to a page where you can buy it and get a $1,000 discount, and even get my 3 bonuses worth $500 for free. Only if you buy it with my link. Kindly do well to like, comment on this video, and don't also forget to subscribe to my channel. See you at the top, your friend, Max.